Motorheads, you know that the automotive lifestyle is all about identity. It's all about personalization. When you're in the car culture, there's no better way to personalize all of your stuff than with AP Lazer. Now, Dean, Achord, you've worked with AP Lazer for a long time. When you decided to get into lasers, why did you choose AP Lazer?
So for me, the whole time I was in the military, I always wanted to get a laser engraver, but I didn't really know anything about them. The only thing that I knew was think of a shoebox, and whatever you're going to laser needs to fit inside that shoebox. That was kind of the extent of what my knowledge level was. So when I began the search, looking for the end of the internet, and I happened upon AP Lazer. They've got this thing called open architecture. That caught my interest. What that meant to me was my shoebox just got huge. So the bottom of the laser, pulls out.
Which they call the Z-table.
The Z-table, and basically almost anything that can fit underneath that laser can be lasered. And that's amazing. Like, I've had people come to me with a 6-foot conference table and want their team logo in the center of it. I was able to do that for them. Just things like that really expands the possibilities beyond what a hobby laser can do.
Now, we're asking you to use your imagination to think about all the things you can do for your car club, for your organization, when it comes to fundraising and even labeling your parts. So let's talk about some of the things you've done in the automotive realm.
Yeah, so I've got teams that have came to me. Like I said, one wanted their logo in the center of a table. I've even had them come with cups, tumblers, even a spoon and a fork. Like, they wanted to just have a quick little something to give away. So I was able to laser those things for them. It's really endless possibilities. And now, especially since AP Lazer offers a dual laser, which is a CO2 laser and a fiber laser built into one, that expands your capabilities to where you can do things, bricks, wood, etc. But now you can get into those metal pieces also, a metal panel to put on the car, a valve cover, all those special things. You could take the hood of the car off and put your team logo on it if you wanted to. It's really amazing.
Well, obviously this is a very complicated machine, but how easy is it to actually use? It seems like it'd be a huge task.
Yeah, no, actually that's one of the easiest parts to explain, is because when I got out of the military, I was not a computer guy in the military, like a laserologist. I didn't know anything about lasering things. I started a pet cremation, and people would ask me, hey, can you put my pet's name on the urn? And that's really what got the laser thoughts going. And I was afraid of the knowledge part, but with AP Lazer, they train you. They've got turnkey packages, everything from the laser to the computer to the training to show you how to use those things. If you run into a really big problem that you just can't wrap your mind around, they even have 24/7, 365 tech support.
And not to mention the Facebook community.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely, that's huge too. The Facebook group is actually one of the better parts, in my opinion, because you don't even really have to ask the question. Someone has already ran into that problem somewhere along the way, and it may have been 5 years ago, but you use the little search feature and you type it in, it's going to pop up, and there's going to be 4 or 5 people that has talked about that. They've given proposed settings, how to do it, how to set it up, problem resolution before you even have the problem. So the Facebook group is really special, and it's really very family oriented.
And through the years, we've shown how people can use mugs or plaques to promote their car club, give awards and that sort of thing. And these bricks have become a huge fundraiser. What makes these particular bricks special? How are they different than just an average brick?
Sure. So I don't claim that I'm the guy that invented the formula for the brick. In the laser industry, they used to know these as the laser sketch laser brick, and a guy invented those a while back. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I am now the brick guy. So these are the exact same bricks, and they were a brick that was specifically designed for laser engraving. Used to, people would take bricks and sandblast them, sort of like on a cemetery, and then paint fill those crevices. But after 3 or 4 or 5 years, you can no longer read the bricks on the sidewalk. These bricks have special additives in them that when the laser hits it, it turns jet black, and it turns the surface of the brick to glass through a process called vitrification. And when that glass cools, it seals that black in. So that black is part of the brick for the life of the brick. And so the bricks are built to road paver standards. Look, everybody in the laser industry just knew that Laser Sketch's brick was the best one out there, and now I am fortunate enough to be the guy to supply the laser industry with these bricks through my website.
And that's at ppclaser.com?
Yes, sir.
You can personalize your car, you can personalize anything. It's only limited by your imagination. You can find out how all of this works, find out a whole lot more at aplazer.com/TV. Incredible machines. Well, now you know how to take your projects to the next level. Up next, you can take your turbocharger knowledge to the next level. John Gardner is here to get us all spun up on turbos. Plus, a simple, effective, and safe way to stop leaks in your vehicle. Come on back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Advanced Rust Protection. We'll be back in a few.